Hey Valentines, this is Magi Helena. Today let's look at the main trends for February 2019 in all 6 astrology dimensions. I'm the only woman and one of only 2 certified level 4 Magi astrologers, the highest level, and I've helped thousands of people across the US and in 40 countries worldwide to understand how to use star timing to achieve their dreams. Hey, before we get started, please be sure to subscribe right here on YouTube and click that little bell on the immediate right so you'll know as soon as new astrology videos drop. Okay, now let's look at the astrological forecast for February 2019. February is not a strong month. There just aren't any really exceptional days for important new beginnings for love or for money. This doesn't mean you can't have a good month, just that you'll want to wait to start anything super important until the stars are more powerfully on your side. Even the so-called best days of February are really only best available, and most of them are contaminated by geometry with difficult astro bodies. The worst days are really bad, so bad that the Magi Society recommends that you don't even buy gas or groceries on those days. It's not a lot of help, but at least in February there's no run of bad days longer than 2 in a row, so you don't have to wait too long for stars to improve, at least slightly. With the knowledge I'm about to give you, you can avoid February's pitfalls. So write February Smart in the comments below. Okay, best available and worst days in February are scattered throughout the month. The worst of the worst days are heartbreak days, with Sun and Earth both conjunct and opposite the Saturn-Chiron heartbreak midpoint, and in geometry with the super nasty Saturn-Sedna midpoint too. Poor Chiron, the ruler of true love, soulmates, and marriage, and career also, is really gunked up with Xanthus and some other points, both in Helio-Zodiac 12 longitudes and Geo-Zodiac 7. We all love Valentine's Day, but February 14th, 2019 is not a Valentine's Day to get engaged or married. Please wait for better stars. On Valentine's Day this year, there's a heartbreak progression set up in the Geo-Zodiac 12 longitudes and an Earth-Saturn-Sedna midpoint progression in Helio-Zodiac 7. Also, there's a Sun-Mars-Sappho contra-parallel in the geodeclinations, which is not an energy that would create happily ever after. Okay, these are some of the most important trends to understand for February. To see the whole best and worst days calendar, including the best days for love and for money for February, and to get lots of info about how to use this to help you in your life, click the link below. If you liked this video, click like. If you didn't like it, click dislike. If there's someone you know that could benefit from this video, please share it with them. Don't forget, please be sure to subscribe right here on YouTube for more astrology videos. And I hope you'll come visit me on MagiHelena.com for self-empowerment info, how to use star timing, blogs, astrology lessons, and more. So, be patient. Carefully sidestep those February potholes, and you can still make this a great month.